Welcome once again to the PYMN product review channel. Today we have the COMICA CVM V02 Lavalier mic. So let's unbox. Okay. So in the box we have the very simple packaging. What is this? Okay. We have the wind blocker. Some people call it dead cat. And very simple packaging. Here we have the mic itself, plastic. Okay. So basically, we have the LavMic, the wind blocker, warranty card. Virtually that's it. These are the main features. Lavalier microphone with XLR 3-pins connector, low distortion, wide dynamic range, flat frequency response for broadcast quality, support 48-volt phantom power, CNC process technology and accurate design, 1.8 meter soft silicone wire, and comfortable touch feeling. These are some of the specs. It's a back electric condenser, 100 Hz to 12 kHz frequency range, less than 1% THD, 35 dB plus or minus 3 dB sensitivity, over 60 dB signal to noise ratio. Simple presentation, quite affordable. This is just an unboxing. This is the first time I've gotten a LavMic with an XLR, which basically means can be used for professional recording. Before getting this specific brand, I went online and there are LavMics that go up to $1,000 and some could be as cheap as $5. Quite a few people have recommended this for an entry-level LavMic that can be used for semi-professional, even professional work if the need arises. The build quality of this is quite amazing. For its price, this is metal. This is metal. Hard metal. 1.8 meter cable. Well, they call it silicone. The mic itself, here's the clip, is quite sturdy. This will hold on to any shirt. The mic is covered by a foam. See if I can take it off. Well, let me just not risk it now. Since this is an unboxing, I might as well let me remove the tie and see. Oh, this. Well, okay, this is long. This is extremely long. This is extremely long. This is extremely long. For me to really test this product, I would need an equipment that has an XLR female slot, because this meant for mixers, professional grade camcorders, or semi to professional grade audio recorders such as the Tascam DR100 Mark III, which I'm yet to unbox and review. So this accepts XLR inputs. So once I finish unboxing this, I'll probably do an in-depth review of the COMICA CVM LavMic connected to the Tascam recorder. And these are the features and specifications. All right.